Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unban your WhatsApp account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. If your WhatsApp number is banned, first of all on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, tap on the search bar and type in Contact WhatsApp and search for it. In the search results, you will see the Contact WhatsApp page. Tap on it. It'll open up the WhatsApp support page. Now next up, you need to tap on this Contact Us link. Now in this page, you need to enter your contact details. You need to enter the phone number of your banned WhatsApp account. Provide your valid email address, which you are currently using. You'll receive the response from the support team over here. So make sure your email address is active. After that, you need to enter where do you use your WhatsApp account. And below that, there is a message field. Tap on it. And here you need to describe your issue. You need to explain why your account should not be banned. You can explain your case over here, and once you are done, tap on this next step. Now on the next page, at the bottom of your screen, you can see the send question option. Tap on it, and your question will be submitted to the WhatsApp support department. They will review your issue and come up with a response in your email address. You can then follow the process and your number will be unbanned if it is valid. So that's it. That's how you can unban your WhatsApp number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.